Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about Action Mailer. So this guide provides you with all you need to get started in sending emails from your application, and it also covers how to test your mail. So we are taking a scenario. Suppose that there is a user and user want to create an account. So when the user is successfully created the account, then user will get an email that the account is created successfully. So first of all, we need to make model and controller for user. We are just generating a model and a controller for user. So here we are using the shortcut for generating both of them. And what we are going like user, the name and email with two attributes, name and email, that we are generating. And after generating the model, migration file is down, so we have to up this thing. So Rails DB migrate. So here this thing is done. So let's open our schema. So in the users, we will get the two field name email. And in the controller, we can also see that this whole thing is generated automatically without write any CRUD operation here. So okay, we don't need to give require, so we can permit all things here. Okay, so what exactly we are going to do here? First of all, we are just using mailer, action mailer. If a user is created, if the user is created successfully, so they will send mail, right? So message we are giving user created successfully and mail sent. And in the same way, if the user is not created, so we don't give any email to our user, right? Okay, so here we set up our basic thing. Okay, now let's move to our mailer, how we can generate a mailer. Okay, so let's back to our console, and in the console we have a command line, Rails generate mailer, and with the mailer name, what we have to give this time. Suppose we are giving mailer name as an account Rails generate mailer account. So this will generate two things that initially we need. First is in the app, in the mailer folder, they generate an account mailer.rb file, and in the views they generated a folder, only the folder, not a files, account mailer. So these two things we need this time. So we will with the help of these two things we will send the email to our customer. So the file is generated. Let's see, like in the mailer, in the user mailer that we write. Like, just give me a second. Account mailer, right? Mailer and the account mailer. Yeah, this file is generated. Like, this is our file that we recently generated by our command line. So what exactly this file do? This file takes the email that we want to send the email to our user. Suppose that you are a user, you are just signing up, and after the creation I got your email. So with the help of this email, with your email, I will send the email and also the right of a subject. So for that I need to make a method. Suppose that I made and welcome email. Okay, welcome. I created a method welcome email, and in this email I want to send an email to whom? To user. So I can write any any email this time. So we can send this email, but we are we have to get an email from our user. So like make instance variable account and params account. So what exactly this line do? So I will explain this line later when explain in controller file. So when we are writing our controller line of mailer, so I will explain this line to you. But just keep one thing in mind. Just we are taking all the details of our user by passing this params, right? So like in the account dot email, like in the account we will get the email, and what exactly subject we want to give to our user. We can give sign up successfully. This thing we will do, right? So the mailer part is completed, but we we will change that welcome not welcome is sign up email. Okay, we will give this method name. So in the view file, we see that in the app views account mailer, in the we will go the same in views account mailer, that this file is blank. Okay, so let's go with that and create. So when creating the view file, we have to make sure that the method we created in our account mailer, right, in the sign up mail, that the method we created sign up email. So we have to create the same HTML file, right? The sign up email dot HTML dot erb, right? Okay, that's let's implement this. Okay, so we successfully created our HTML file. So this file helps to send email, right? Suppose that okay, let me give example how this exactly work. But before, okay, so this thing, so this will the content will be shared to our user, right? So I will explain this thing later. So this will help you more understand. So this in the sign up controller, the user get mail from our side with the message is sign up successfully and thanks for joining and have a great day. Okay, so we successfully set up two things. First is XML file, second is sign up email HTML file. So and one more thing is left. The left thing is configuration. Suppose that if I want to share an email to you, so I need my email. So for that I can share the email to you, right? So for the same scenario, our application also need the email and password to need to share email to you, right? So for the configuration, let's come to the development.rb file. I'm not share with okay. So this is this is a configuration that you need to establish for sending email to your customer. So suppose that if you're working in any organization, so you can ask with your team lead for testing the mail. So they will provide all the details here, what exactly you need, like the host, default URL option, and the default option from, and with the username. The username is also called as email, and the password like that you need to put on. So with this configuration, you will able to send the email to your user. Okay, so just make sure that you have configured properly. So once you configured properly, so you did all this three things first thing is you in the mailer class you successfully set up a method, sign up email. In the email you're just sending an email with a subject to your user, and this sign up email is connected with an HTML file. That file will be shown in the user mailer, right? So let me and this thing is done. Only one thing is left, like when user is greeting, so they will send a mail to our user. Okay, so first of all I will make sure that we are using the correct thing. Okay, on the action mailer with the params that I told you, like we will discuss this thing, account and user. Like in the account params, just see that the account, right? So they are taking params, right? So the user, the details of all the details of user that are created will be passed to account, and the account is taken by the instance variable of account. So the account have all the details of a user that is created, name and email, so they can easily fetch the email. Okay, hope this thing clear to you. Okay, action mailer dot with the its param, and what exactly we have to give the other method name. What method name is sign up email. Sign up email. Okay, after that, what here we have two things, that is deliver now. The email will be delivered this time at the same time when the user is created, and also we have a delivery later. So this will do, like after creating an account, after creation of a user, so they will send email after some time, like after 10 minutes, after 20 minutes, or maybe more than that. So we don't need that. We are just testing. So we are just using the delivery now. Okay, so everything is completed. So what exactly we have to do? We have to create a user for testing. So this time, okay, so first of all, Rails routes grab users. Okay, in the user create, we are just creating. So open the Postman. Yeah, we have to make this folder. User in the add first. And what he's doing is creating the post. We will write down. And we have to use our local host. Okay, hopefully they will connect with that. And like form data, what exactly we're doing. Name. Name, suppose that we are writing as Vivanshu. And email. If I'm talking about the email, we're talking about the email, so we will get from shop email. So shop email 60. Okay, email, right? So everything is clear. So okay, user created successfully and email sent. So let's check to our page of mail. So let me refresh. Okay, let we got an email as 123. Like we got an email, so like we got an email, like shop 60 email, and sign up successfully. Thanks for joining, and have a great day. And we can also do one thing in the we passed account details, okay, in the instance variable. So we can also use an instance variable in our file also. So I think configure this. The email your email is account.email. Okay, so let's do once again. So okay, user created, email sent. Let's think once again. So what? Here we got our email. Sign up successfully. Your email ID is shop60@jobmail.com. Thanks for joining. Have a great day. So guys, here we got our mail. So this is a very basic thing that we need to understand about designing mail. If you are using any, if you are making any demo project, or if you are on a live project, so you need this thing, basic, how we can send the email. Thanks for watching my video. So if you have any query, so please do comment. I will get back to you. Thank you so much.